Pai le ta sa chem se u promise bun ai ba me pai.
Ta memut ban ong ba bero arngut ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Jaka suaba kin submit the report kepada ibu feasibility jong kanika Jaka construct kata petrol pump nang ni bangin ya nang ni syakmat ko ro bani usmo kartu kan ni man pensai kan lihat kalian ke urban affairs department pak kiki walang itu kita macam ni kalian ke veterinary Laiwan NHIDCL so kila idon lang ni bumi kidon lang kisunjuk badru ki isek PGGP te kanang ba kakam kanya bek kanya di mo ni latip bakane kadon bun tu persyaru re ni don hakani kapor mata ni syai kan mo kaliang borok kita nak repair ni kaliang ke blok naspa ban pensyai bakane kalong bek ba ni wan ang ni banjuri kani ka Jaka bakot ko jing batha bang yo ling ba kasiti bangin ya kinu ki petrol pump ki bahap ki blok repair ki hap ki bandon ko ka verification report inquiry report kasi ban page ka Jaka ka biang na am feasible na am te kumta nang ni syakmat de shwa bangin boy sya kata ini os ngo shwa katu kan ni kaliang ka urban affairs adin kata nga ipod sya kani ka por mata ki veterinary bakane maswa ka Jaka juga veterinary ke veterinary part kalahan do siya ka urban affairs part kalahay part siya kani ka petrol pump mo te ngai part mata ka kapori ba kiki walang insani
abang ko nga please what sir ya kan ka mo yang insai urban affairs kaladan ka PL po ka high court nakabenta kan di congest ya ka traffic jam po ka Silong City ka government kalatik initiative buan ba ka kong kalong ba nilale ka survey la conduct survey kalong ba in improve ki junction widening ki road but bang relocate ki hawkers te play ka government kalatik serious ki hawkers buan na po police jar kala relocate ki hawking zone and then na po ka civil hospital do ka jo kala relocate ki po ka tuka kampam jongga dia barik point natang ina relocate ki dangbuan ngin relocate na kelai ukra na ki buan ki Jaka te hadian mangila lek sonbeng lab ba kani ka Anjali junction kadi ko wei ko ba se create back traffic jam ni ki bawan juan na kani time ne sini so ki rum sepo Silong dan kedan ko proposal na po jongga NHIDCL ba ko propose bentukan bensinaya ke flyover na du Charpi junction hadu ante po barik point je ka way kadi ko ka way ka landing kadi be propose ne po Anjali junction te ka government klatik initiative ka laya keren ba ka Ministry of Defense ba ka allocate ini ka land saka urban affairs department na ka bentaban ne improvement junction ben snai kita ka flyover propose ba ka NHIDCL dan ju ko po ang keren begini kita try pump ba bagi relocate ki dan di agree ban relocate subject bagi find ki ke alternate land dan hadir mengilah government ka thwa saka agricultural department baca ka veterinary department bahkan identify plot of land in the Silong menamar government ketip baka agricultural department baka veterinary department kadan di Jaka hak Silong de hadir mengilah conduct survey rengkat bagi official na po jongga veterinary department ngilalap bagan ni Jaka kalong suitable ka free na ki traffic bagan kan obstruct ka traffic flow hadir mengila construct ni 4 lane de hadir mengila identify ni galan dan ka mengila take over ka veterinary department kala I approval bagan hanover ye ni ka Jaka urban affairs department imendar Anjali junction ngilalek ka improvement na po jong ka urban affairs department ka concentrate kadang progress ban ni expect ban complete daw March na April ka jadi ka improvement of Anjali junction ke Urban Affairs Department with the approval na po jangga government kayo ka approval bakin handover siya bangin take over na Building Department but bangin handover siya dineki bakin snai pom but bangin sign agreement te ya agreement ngilap sign ngilap handover ski na benda bakin snai ni pom mengalai tu na duk benukong na tiga bat Ministry of Defense kala agree bakan transfer ke Arman but ya kejung transfer ketiga Anjali Junction kala ada transfer na pokok Ministry of Defense siya ke Urban Affairs Department.
Okay, sir. We have got that clarification. Ministry of Defense has handed over. So, with this honor, the refill station, we would like to know what is the lease period with them.
Kali spirit kita kalaya apa bakila hadap handover no singi.
So that is the point. Please note.
No,
Please note.
Kami
Please note.
No. Kami apa? Nomor bakila akri ende koban kong kila akri bakin safe ladangi relocate deki, kamot ki akri bakin safe ya kepam. Kamot bakin ladak transfer no sika Urban ki ginum aja ka. Kini ki akri on the basis ba ladak ki relocate deki katakin safe ladangi relocate ketemu ginum safe. Adin magile akri on that point dan ngi find ka alternate lan ki ngi alot ki dan after that ngi sa take over je kalan naga defense.
Okay. So we would like to know from you, Honor, please share your documents, the lease documents with the defense. Before we proceed ahead, we would like that lease document.
You brought the documents.
No, sir.
Yes,
Can I-
yes,
this small
please.
thing. Actually,
Publish sibo ni video ibala hot ya kanika je kendo akan export inspection anika por ki stakeholders berhad ki member jak senjuk bata pisang gibidan lahang ni nakal yang ka senjuk ni syukwa tang gawe ka clarification berkata clarification kalong we would like to know from the owner since the all existing refill station is located at Anjali Point and kung kajing supo ka jongi kalong bakate kalong ka defense land ko batay di option na ka Urban Affairs. So we would like to know whether any renewal has been done from the Defense Department regarding that land. What is the period? Hakapor ba ka government kapan yung katuga jaka habagi kendo ay kini kitry dai whether katuga lease period kana exist ne ka lease period kala lapse. We would like that clarification and we would like to have that documents first before we proceed for any further discussions because that is the genesis of it. We would like to clarify first that thing from the Sunjuk whether we allow this or we don't allow this very plot here that we will decide in the second stage of it. We would like to first know regarding the old land at Anjali Point, where the petrol pump exists, whether that lease has crossed the lease period, whether any extension was done. We would like to clarify. We would like to have that clarification first. So please, the owner, clarify.
saying that Anjali Petrol Pump, no, it is more than 100 years old. And it is a perpetual lease, like our other...
Is that on record, perpetual lease?
Yeah. I'm coming, sir.
Okay.
I'll take your time. So, it is going on like that. Just like our Malki or any other lands. Comes for 30 years, then again renewal. That goes on. In the meantime, there was a request that, see, for continuous renewal, we have to build a flyover there. So we cannot go for that thing. But then it went for a court case in the High Court. So High Court said, look, since the party are for more than 100 years here, why you are going for this confrontation? Because everyday traffic problems, sir, we are stuck up for 7-8 hours like that. So then they called us in the meeting. Thank you, the High Court judge and committee, chief secretary, so many people. A lot of government people came. Said, are you willing to cooperate? Why you are wanting to extend the lease there? So Army said, we don't have any problem. If Meghalaya government can rehabilitate them, then this traffic problem is solved. Otherwise, every day, 9-10 hours, no? Sir, someone going to hospital, someone very terribly sick. From our side, we said, we are ready to cooperate, sir. Anywhere you give us some small plot of land and we will leave it immediately. So this This is the whole genesis.
Okay.
No,
So,
sir.
so
Now, sir, one more thing. So from our side, we don't want don't want the public to be inconvenienced. Because public is more important, sir, than even myself, more public is important. No. Then entire government, they called us chief secretary, and everyone, very important, all the top people, including local people. They said, look, first you must vacate this place because we are facing so much problem, our school going children and so many things. We said, sir, we are willing. We are willing. Only you give us one small piece of land somewhere. Then the army and all this joint meeting. Okay, you also don't create confusion. In the court case, it will run for another 20 years, 30, 40 years. From, suppose it started from district court, then you'll go to high court, then you'll go to Supreme Court. Can the public wait for 10 years, 20 years? So now also the flyover is stopped because of this NOC from our side. This is exchange of land, and High Court has given the order. So this entire matter will again go to the High Court. What happened from the government side? We cannot allow that flyover there until unless they start. This is an exchange, no. It is a clear-cut agreement. So from our side, we are willing to cooperate, sir, with the village, from everyone. Only we want small help. That where will we go, sir? Only that much.
you see, from the we are not going to go against the court order. We are not going for any contempt. Okay, please be sure on that. Be sure on that. The only thing we want is that the documents should not mislead the court.
No, sir. The court,
Okay, the documents should not mislead the court to give its judgment.
yes, sir.
Fine. So that's why please share that documents with us. We will study that documents. We are not telling that we are against setting up a POM here. Okay. Since it has been identified, all process has been started. It is a continuing process. Fine. We would like you to please share that documents with us.
Sir, our request, our only submission is all the documents from side before we bring to the court. It is not that it is with in my personal custody. Sir, okay, just I'll tell you. Now the court, the case is running for the last 30, 40
No,
years.
please let me interrupt you.
So without, sir,
You have any problem in sharing the
Okay,
documents? Do you have any problem?
No, we
no,
have
no,
already
no. Do you have any, no? You have given to the courts. Okay. So do you have any problem in sharing? You want transparency. We want transparency, isn't it? We are accountable to the people here. It's not that we are against setting up the POMs. Okay. Please be clear on that. So are you not willing to share your documents with us?
no, the matter is very, very clear. The court and the government and the army said the further renewal will take place because we cannot further renewal because of the flyover. They were willing to give the renewal in that very last.
Setting of any POMs as long as it comply with the rules and regulations. Okay, let us be clear on that. That is number one. Number two is whether your lease, whether it has lapsed or it is still alive.
It is, sir.
Let us be clear on this.
I'm coming to that. Sir, without, if it is lapsed, then how can I sit in the pump? How can I am running the pump? Why should High Court come in the middle? Then they should have removed us. They should have removed us. So, the entire matter went to the High Court. High Court said we cannot remove anyone who is sitting for more than 100 years. We cannot remove like this. Only way we can remove is we give him, rehabilitate him somewhere else. So finally the High Court passed a judgment. It went for a long time. It has been running from 40 years, this court case. Not today. From last 40 years it is going on. Then they said the best way to solve is amicable. The word is amicable. If you don't give us the land, then okay, you allow us to continue there. So now, sir, everything is, we want cooperation from everyone. We are requesting that if this traffic problem is solved, sir, we are also happy, no? Because we owe to the public.
No, we are here.
So, sir, only small request that once this from our side, no problem, sir. We are not here to create any confusion because we are from last 100 years, you can understand. Sir, where will we go? We don't have, you know, the Land Transfer Act. We can't get anywhere land. So we were begging with the government that, sir, then the government said, you are not cooperating. I said, sir, we are cooperating. I said, are you happy if I give you somewhere land? Will you clear this for the flyover traffic problem? I said, sir. Then you said, you give in writing that you will vacate this first. We gave in writing. So from our side, we are cooperating, sir. the beginning. And as a result, government also cooperated.
And this is placed before the court, you're saying?
Yes, court order is there. Now it will be contempt of court. If I don't agree also, I will be contempt of court from whichever side. Because we are below the court, no, all of us. My only small request, sir, that
Please be clear.
driver
No,
and
see,
the
their point is basically whatever documents
Yeah.
you have talked about, the High Court order, this, I think you must be having all the
yes,
documents.
yes, court we can give them.
You don't give to us, you give to the office.
Yes, sir.
Office will share with us.
No problem.
We don't
no
need.
problem.
Share to the office,
Sure.
then only we will be able to come up. Okay? We are very positive. Please note that. We are very positive for any development. We understand our children, commuters are facing problems. We understand we need a flyover there. So, but the only thing is that before we give a clearance as a Sunjuk and all the stakeholders, we would like to be clear to see the documents first. That is only our issue. We just want that. We just want that.
You can share the documents.
You just share the documents,
everything from whatever you
and
have
we,
mentioned.
inside office we will sit and we will have a discussion.
As clearly as
No
you can.
problem.
So that is the only thing.
They want clarity.
That clarity we want.
From our side,
Because
full
if we
cooperation.
give, if we say go ahead also, we will be clear, all will be satisfied. If we say no also, we will have to justify before the court why we say no. If the court still feel that I am contempt, I'm going against the court, I have to face the consequences. Please be clear on that.
So basically that is their point only. And there's mata ji sunjugru jong joka sengru kari gaju.
Thì bên nào kalian jungi kuma idan ne ko isla kiba bangin pensai ba paro eke ikadaw bangi persya mo ngingim persya development yo don ki postu bakala ngim persya ya ki palong sabar jukal tiya nadu kalai trik agos arjar arkulai the very first day kabangitep pa kandon ke inspection hangni ban alot di petrol pump na kaliang jongi ngiladap tho su veterinary minister ban ngitep ba ka jaka jong veterinary ni tho su minister jongka veterinary kalong bangin persya kalong ba balai bahapan ai jaka kerpang ya ubreu nabar hapo ka jaka jongi mi ka sik schedule area ka bangin mlak ban lai ya ban su thu ka baningkong stan ni kata bat mentangi su thu ba kat kum balong burus kata Kemkalan Competition Act mo kala kerensai balada don kami kanu kunu jaka ka sarkar ka don kami kanu kunu jaka kasih ka compensation bat kasyong to ubriu wat jaka seno larau de usa apo operslong la ka sarkar klasi compensation utiet chawes kasih utiet chagaruhel utiet seno ka sarkar kam don jiktu kala kata hadian kata ka basusi kalong ba kini kitrai ki persang banyalam bakala ya kasur jumpa ba nomor balai hadian mingila persa kala don inspection bat hadian kat kum mengipek nadu mana ya keren ya kata court order keren ya court order rai ngini umka banyak ilat nak court bat ngin buram hiru ndai ka court order habaka pasi ka judgment haka santrik bunai ba arjar pusau kala dismiss nan ya ka case bat hangni kalong ba is granted to the petitioner to hand over the vacant position to the defense authority kamu tu hapan penpai no syaka jaka support defense kamu lesi kali sekalakut nek ngimtip ngimtuklar kata lada dai baka diga jaka jong sarkar ka kut kala di bangkersai bahwa pan penpai untuk jaka support ka government of Meghalaya kadi kata ka stan ka jongi ka panadu nikong but hadian kini ki barhoj kat kum kini court order markam ka court order ka kham tho ba un hapan ai kata ka jaka sa ka sarkar kan ai jaka ku muipat but ke ka bangilingo na kaliang jongi hadian bengi ya ka agreement ka balsoi daka Urban Affairs Department kani ka agreement ka balai soy da sarkar Meghalaya ka Urban Affairs Department lalong ba ai ba yune ubreo ya kani ka jaka ka perthai ka juk yu mata banyo jaka shiting ka shi square feet sisnam ka jaka hang tai lesi kala benetang arjar ni arjar duna hang ni ki ai do khalai hajar sis pa parpo square feet ha ka dor shiting ka shi square feet sisnam ka bomot uni usio tang khalai hajar sis pa parpo ka sisnam plus ka palingo kani ka MOU kabaya sign ko Urban Affairs buat uni imat kilari bisa penbi daga boboram ki officer ki badan hangni nai so nomor hangni la tho now thereafter a permanent a heritable and a transferable right of the use of the occupancy of the said land is hereby granted to leases atho sya te hangni kalong permanent ulak ban transfer bat ulak ban her poteng Pi kini ke ba ngi sungtu sai baki tagi bor sarkar le si kim khin snap iki pardo ik prasnam ke jongi bat ka baar kalong umba kalau penbiet hang ni kalong ba nadu meneng yakan petrpom isu denam dai yakran me tak setem of petrpom henrai kat kum ka agreement dai tang bal ailat ban set up ke petrpom hang ni kani ka agreement joka urban affairs aka point ke nomor khatlai la thok sai ba ula ban bu si ke restoran ka shopping complex car wash, kadhaba, bat kiwe. Mut is purely business. Hapdeng jung uni ubri unabar, bat ki officer jongka urban affairs department. Den nak tak daungi persya. Hikum nu long try dunia. Bat kapalingo kolong ba hakapoin nomor khatnyo. Ki mention ni kata kalan acquisition act na khat khnai spa prapu sa. Ngalingo beti ki officer le sikim pulekot. Kim tip ba kata kalan Acquisition Act ladaban amen hu arjar khatlai. Katkum ka amendment juga Land Acquisition Act kala keren syai hu arjar khatlai. Kalong ba provided also that no land shall be transferred by way of acquisition in the scheduled area. Mer kala keren syai ni bangin nomla ban transfer. Ya kajaka. Syakiwei pat ki bamdai ki pardok prasnam ki bamdai trai muluk. Kingi ku apan sai kan kata ka urban affairs. Hadu matangim tuklar kata ka flyover, ngim tuklar kata ka way ke kam ka bede ka roi ka par. Kalong ba ka beningkong, kalong la IT ba ki tho kan kali slai posnam. Rei ladap tho sai te. Ba ka de ka permanent ka jungu. Menum don su menu balapan kendang. Pi la ailat yu sebenarnya skiwi business. Ka bombot hang ni ka purpose ka la fail. Mah kapaar kalong balay ni smokia kalong ba hapo opar slong jongi ngayat ki rang ba snong kin kubur ba nga ki bobon hang ne ki nong song snong ko opar slong ki di nong rep ki nong ri jingri ni don kame kani jaka lara ka sarkar ka saukia hadu kata ta ban ai ban le kata ki set up ki dah ba ki beli gambu ka wi fit meal plan hang ne bagi nong rep ki ni jing mutoi kin wandi ki marep ki jongki bat ka ju kupur ki nong ri jingri ru ki ni jing mutoi kan mah haja kam le thiet kita gi jingbam sniang jingbam mesi nadu no po gua tiap thiet no po yodo hadu mata ka sarkar kam padon fit meal plan hapo ka jela lajong telara ka don ka jaka hang ni po government land kan set up dikini kan panwara ya kata ka roi ka paran ya ta development ya ki pardo persnam jongi rimta set up petrpom set up daba mut gi jongi gi sulong tang dong bela ya ban kersa ya kata bat nya ban biang seisien balai shi tingka shi square feet shi snap ka sarkar ka iwai Lara aiwai ki babun kena samlang ni kam khatlai hajar dong la mesti wi ni ka sipnai pi long ya ban sautu kata ka poi bat horket orang ni no mailat ba ka sarkar kan thom na ka bor ane ban le daga nu mentangi mi tangat ni ngin sami di hajar ngut bat ko hajar ngut lana kini ki petrpom ki zaman ya cepat nang ni denem long kat bolong jakat baja
Siap senang.
ni mailat nong we no ar unasa hakani ka caka ka jungi yang nadu pasang bat nginya rengkat ru nomor beli ke supply kata kesenjuk kirang bak senong kalapan ni ke jaka nomor beli kesenjuk kirang bak senong ngiburam ikirang bak senong kidon kam ban set up ke office kipan jaka ke sarkar kamai pemak su nai jaka ngipan nak senjuk kirang bak senong yang ban set up ya ka fire service center ni mah fire service office mar bun sian man 50 yang sini iki klau ki babun ni ap menakani don ke jingsa po muklot tang ba ap ya ka fire brigade sempor lagi entah kayang 50 lut ngidon kami fire service ndai ka sarkar kale menti kale matla ek teng jing dawa ka pasong hok jing senjuk kirang bak senong kala rakat ek senjuk kirang bak senong dang khendau thala mentapan ailat si ubri wanawar horket rodang nak liang jing nom ailat bat longkat bolong jagat baca ngin si pai ke igalanti begini beniat nang ni semat ti tangkatai ke jing peso jing menjura mata
nak liang juga tri department bidan di Jakarta ni apa IDP Upar Shillong ti ya kini ke Jakarta la solbi ni au snem arjar ulai bat de kaji lam jong president jong secretary wala khatno Oman Jonathan bat ni la pendep ni ke solbi bat ni la de kaji instruction i bat ni la thoi ni ke Jakarta ka balong live sun meter ba live sun meter ti ka long ko ba khat lai just square feet plus minus ting la thoi kan ni ti de kaji request jong government hi ban pen bahal dan penhe explore ke around ke Shillong dan ni ke pada ni apa Shillong tinggal atau ni Jakarta ke balong live sun meter but ngila ai bele Hanover ke Urban Department baik Urban Department is cancel kemudian kam tinggi ngim lahi banong hi ketika part jong ka government hi ka government land hi ketika government hi ke banishim ke decision tak kumtai
lupa mana karena kadai ka lease agreement ka bang design bagi harus kiladap save ka premium kat kum ka rate bagi fix na po jong ka revenue department karena ka annual rental fees they have to pay manla ka snam company bakalan still kadang dan baka government ladang ladi do ngi kimdan kam su ban sim ya government nai ka peni baka ka ownership kadang still lies but ka government no kadau kini gidi tang lease holder
Kendiap ka mesin trop mah ho ngi sutu eta kali agreement. Ribale ka point ka number blingkong te long permanent heritable and transferable right there. Dia kan dia kan mengi persya. Pi la rafi tho be bata lease, kadai be lease kata senam ngi renew. Okay fine. Renang ni kan ni kalau long peniap kan. Sebut la sa du ya segi pentai ki buar peselor jongkaan. Kala tho ang ni bo la long permanent du ya uni saka ta kayen ka siri tu jok ni. Munu buduk nong ke sorkar, munu buduk nong ipat ba. Kini ki agreement hang ni berkat kita. Ngan sa ai kopi si press berkat bengin yo i jing sisa, ba hadu kat nu ba sorkar, om desu tama ka didu i jaka border area, sika kaput, rewat kapsor la didu. Ngino maila dikum kata ba kanang e janang ni sikamat. Ngadap thok sa deh ni, kari permanent. Kapalapan hiar puteng, kapalapan transfer. Kalau saya duya ini sekibuar kasri itu lapan job. Temangi kerja dak bahasa baka kalau defeat ke purpose ke veterinary hang neru dak boburam gidon ki ofsa jo veterinary ne amarngi kwa ba ya ka jaka jo veterinary ke di penyiar susu. Lara ka sorkar rang yo ban thiet jaka su ni thiet. Ban mentoy.
Kum ko samjuk lengi kwa ba hang ni kan wan ka veterinary college na kum makalarai hopo u haka haunai mi arajar apuar akan ke first MDA government tingi kuat ke hospital baka college bukan wan hakan ni kata ka digijing terang baka jing angnur ke jaman
Ngiru ngin kersa niru ya kata nak leong jingi menjuram but rest of don't try to jump around the bush. We understand very well this is our land, we are born and brought up here and we'll die here, so please don't jump around the bush. And you should clearly understand that from our side we oppose this. You find out another place also, we don't mind, but not in the government land, and the government also should not give to any person unless they fulfill our demands.
Okay. Biar tak documents mesti tiap
Yes.
Those documents should can supply them a copy of the same.
Had a long day? Feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा. अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ,
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। लेट्स गो गाइस, पार्टी टाइम।
Skoda.